for some time on the
Dereti ya kuhagura minister wa kinyanĩria kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua Kariuki Bataru nĩrugamĩte kwa ihinda thutha wa mũcirithania wa igoti inene rĩa Kericho George Dulu kũruta watho wa kũrũgamia mũtaratara ũcio. Dereti ĩno ĩratemanĩtio nĩ MCA wa Kipipili Paul Geshe kiumia kĩhĩtũku kũrĩa anyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ MCAs 23 agĩtetio na ũhũthĩri mũru wa wabici na wandĩkani mũgarũ na watho. MCAs amwe makĩonania kwaga kũiganĩra na itua rĩa igoti.
Honorable members, it is worth noting that the law does not provide for timelines under which the House is supposed to consider a report tabled by the Special Select Committee. I now therefore direct that the Special Select Committee on the removal from office of Honorable Engineer Venancio Kariuki Bataru does table its report today as scheduled by the House Business Committee, and that its deliberations and consideration of the report shall remain pending until the court direct otherwise.
So today, from your communication, Mr. Speaker, maybe you need to clarify, Mr. Speaker, the difference between the matter before us and the other matters, the previous matter we had, because even with the court order, Mr. Speaker, they were debated, and as well, Mr. Speaker, they were settled.
Speaker, nĩeranĩire gũkaheana mwerekera mothe wa Jumaine kiumia tũrorete igũrũ rĩa ndeto ĩno.
Raise the issue on Tuesday.
Hadwin Hakameme TV, Jitagomena, Kehumo.
2:30 p.m. I'll make a